my friends, it's me, Retired Shenanigans. I'm here quickly with another one. I'm going to make me some pastrami. I'm going to fry it in a pan. I'm going to make me a pastrami sandwich. A girl is hungry, and this is going to be her lunch for today. So I figured, you know what? Why not bring you guys along with me while I cook this pastrami here? Half a hero, because it's only a half. I got the other half over there in case I want more. But listen, I said I was going to be intentional and try to bring you videos on everything I do. So this is some things that I do. I'm making me a pastrami, a hot pastrami sandwich. I buy the meat and I make it myself because they charge your arm and a leg at the store. I can make 3-4 sandwiches out of the meat I got for the price of one over there. Today is going to be 101 degrees in New York. So y'all know where I'm at. I'm home under my AC. I'm not going out. Oh, I did go out. Do y'all see something different about me? If you notice it, comment below. I'm not going to say it. I'm going to see what my comments give me. If you know it and you see it, grab it. Tell me what it is in the comments. But on that note, people, we are going to start making this pastrami sandwich. Come on along. All right, my friend. This is our pan we're going to use. Y'all know my handy dandy pan. We're going to put a little oil in it. And we're going to grab us a couple of pieces of pastrami. 2, 3, 4. We're going to have a healthy sandwich. 5 pieces of pastrami. That's enough for this bread. So we want it to get hot and maybe get dark. Sometimes the pastrami gets dark and sometimes it doesn't when it's cooked. But we'll see what happens with it today. We're going to use some mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. I don't eat no tomatoes or lettuce on my sandwiches. I like them just as simple as this. Mayonnaise, mustard. And I bought me some chippy chips over there. We're going to have with it. I bought turkey for my fiance because he don't like pastrami, he claims. But I can guarantee you, if there's nothing else here, he'll eat this pastrami. You know? You see how it's turning? That's what we're looking for. We're going to let it get a little more cooked than that. I'm going to put one more piece because that don't seem like a knot. Now that is definitely enough. So, on this nice Thursday, what are you guys having? I just have to pick up something up over there. Excuse my arm. What are you guys having for lunch on this 100-degree weather in New York? If it's not hot where you at, tell me where you at. I always like to know where my viewers are. So, come on and tell me where we at. Where we at. Where we at. And then tell me what we're having for lunch. Because I always like to know. I like to know the different foods that people eat. We might not be finished with this mayonnaise. We're just gonna close the top up. And we're gonna sit it to the side. But we are definitely done with this meat. So I'm gonna close it up. This was $5.28. Y'all see that? Worth the meat. So $5. The roll was $1. You have all this stuff already, right? See how it's getting? It's about to shrivel up to pretty much nothing, but it's going to go perfectly on that bread. Who likes pastrami and who doesn't? What is your choice of lunch meat? Tell me. What's your choice of lunch meat when you eat lunch meat? I like pastrami. I like honey turkey. I don't mess with ham out the store too much. But I love a good pastrami and a turkey sandwich, you know? I said chips. But I got corn chips and bugles. Tell me, who like bugles? Bugles is old school. They're back though. They are back. Okay, we're gonna put our cheese down on it. Y'all know I got some sharp cheddar. That's all I buy from Walmart is sharp cheddar. I don't really buy too much of. If it ain't cheddar cheese, I don't buy it too much. One piece, like that. Now we're gonna lay our meat. It's done enough. Look like a little wrinkle stuff, right? Wrinkle. Wrinkle, wrinkle. But guess what? It's gonna taste something delicious. Yes, it will. I've learned making your own food at home tastes much better than the food in the street. I mean, don't get me wrong. Takeout food is good. Some of it, you gotta know where to go. You gotta know which ones. But me and fast food, I'm not crazy about fast food. Not one bit. Like McDonald's, Burger King, all them type of stuff. I really prefer to eat at home instead of that stuff. So we're gonna put some mustard. We're gonna spread it around. We're gonna close it up. I'm not gonna cut it open because I like it just like this. Just like this. Y'all see? I'm gonna take a bite out of it, and you guys are I'm gonna tell you just how good it is when I come back. So my friends, here it is. Pastrami, and I choose to do the bugles. I love me a good bugle. I love a good bugle. So the pastrami sandwich with cheese. Let's take a bite. That is so good. So thank you if you made it to the end of this video. I want to appreciate you guys so much. I'm grateful that you showed up. So on that note, we're gonna I have to laugh because y'all seen it. Y'all see my fiance back there. But anyway, on that note, thank you. Thank you for showing up for me on all my videos. Thank you for watching. But don't forget, you have to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching. This is a very short video today. I know it is. But thank you anyway for coming along. See you on the next one.